Slay the
Slay
Spire.
the Spire, pare.
We slay in the spy.
I would
Slay
say
the Spire, pare.
the greatest card game I've ever played, pare.
Counted ba siya as card game?
It is.
Oh.
Like, you battle using cards.
Ano siya?
Literal cards.
It's a roguelike card
Yeah.
battler.
Yeah.
Roguelike card battler,
Yeah.
which you choose for... Sorry, sa lahat ng mga tao di pa nakakalaro ng Slay the Spire, I pity you and I also envy you. Kasi
may chance ka pa
kasi may
laruin
chance
the
ka
first
pang
time.
may chance ka laruin sa first time at parang wow, this is really brilliant and simple and great.
Dude, sobrang ganda niya. Like, naalala ko, buong araw ko lang siya nilaro.
Oh,
eh.
dude.
Sa totoo lang, baka sa time spent playing a game, I think Eon or Skyrim, neck and neck yung Slay the Spire.
Sa'yo?
Grabe yung Slay the Spire.
Dude, dati nilaro ko lang siya. Tapos, ay, nasa Pangasinan na ako.
Such an easy game to play.
Easy game to play.
Hard to master.
Passes the time. Yun nga yung maganda kasi yung degree of difficulty niya, achievable eh. Kasi nakikita mo yung path towards it eh. Alam mo yun?
Oh, pati
Hindi siya yung tipong, shit, paano ito mangyayari?
every run natututo ka talaga.
Oh,
Yeah.
every
Tapos
run.
yung every run, minamap out ko na eh. Sige, anong pipiliin kong path?
Tipong, nako, may 3 bonfire dito. Kaso may 3
bonfire?
elite.
3 bonfire, tas elite yung sunod.